Force and motion. Learning objectives. After studying this unit, student will be able to define distance and displacement, differentiate distance and displacement, define speed, velocity and acceleration, differentiate speed and velocity, draw and explain distance time and velocity time graph, measure and calculate the speed of moving object, know the day-to-day uses of center of gravity and stability. Distance and displacement. The total length of the path taken by an object to reach one place from another place is called distance. The shortest distance from the initial position to the final position of an object is called displacement. The SI unit of distance and displacement is meter. Distance and displacement. He travels 10 km along the first path. The distance between A and B in the case of first path is 10 km. The shortest distance between the two places is 7 km. So the displacement is 7 km in each direction. While the object moves from A to B, the displacement is considered to be positive and it is negative when it travels from B to A. Nautical mile. Nautical mile is the unit for measuring the distance in the field of aviation and sea transportation. 1 nautical mile is 1.852 km. The unit for measuring the speed of aeroplanes and ships is knot. It means that they travel 1 nautical mile in 1 hour. Speed. Speed is the rate of change of distance. Speed equal to distance by time. The unit of speed is meter per second. We can classify speed into two types. Uniform speed. If your body in motion covers equal distances in equal intervals of time, then the body is said to be in uniform speed. Non-uniform speed. If your body covers unequal distances in equal interval of time, the body is said to be in non-uniform speed. Average speed equal to total distance travelled by time taken to travel the distance. Velocity. Velocity is the rate of change in displacement. Velocity equal to displacement per time. SI unit of velocity is meter per second. Uniform velocity. A body is said to have uniform velocity if it covers equal displacement at equal interval of time in the same direction. Example, light travels through vacuum. Non-uniform velocity. If either speed or direction changes, the velocity is non-uniform. Example, a train starting and moving out of station. Average velocity. If the total displacement of an object is divided by total time taken by the object, we get the average velocity. Average velocity equal to total displacement per total time taken. Average velocity equal to starting point is the object travel 5 km in one direction and 7 km in opposite direction. Average velocity equal to 5 minus 7 per 0.2. The minus indicate the direction of the displacement. Minus 2 per 0.2 minus 10 km per hour or 10 into 5 per 18 meter per second. Minus 25 by 9 equal to 0.28 meter per second. Acceleration. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. In other words, if your body changes its speed or direction, then it is said to be accelerated. Acceleration, change in the velocity per time. Final velocity minus initial velocity per time. A equal to V minus U by T. Positive acceleration. If the velocity of an object increases with respect to time, then the object is said to be in positive acceleration. Negative acceleration or deceleration or retardation. If the velocity of an object decreases with respect to time, then the object is said to be in negative acceleration or deceleration or retardation. Uniform acceleration. An object undergoes uniform acceleration when the change in its velocity for every unit of time is the same. Non-uniform acceleration. An object undergoes non-uniform acceleration if the change in its velocity for every unit of time is not the same. Car traveling at uniform speed of 10 meter second power minus 1. The value in x-axis is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds. The distance traveled in each second is 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50 meters. The graph has constant gradients. The distance increases 10 meter in every second. Thus the car moved with this uniform speed. Car at rest. The graph has zero gradient. The distance is constant for every second. Thus the car is at rest. The time is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds. The distance traveled in each second is 20 meter. So the graph has zero gradient. Car traveling at decreasing speed. The value in x-axis is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds. The distance traveled by object at 1 minute is 45 meter, 2 second 80 meter, 3 second 105 meter, 4 second 120 meter, 5 second 125 meter. The graph has a decreasing gradient, that is, the speed decreases. Speed or time graphs. Car at rest. The value in the x-axis is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds. The speed of an object is 0 in each second. The speed of the bus remains at 0 meter second power minus 1. So the bus has zero acceleration. Bus traveling at uniform speed of meter second power minus 1. The time taken is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds. The speed of an object remains constant of 10 meter per second. The speed of the bus remains at 10 meters second power minus 1. Here slope of the line is 0. So the bus has zero acceleration. Bus traveling at uniform acceleration. The time taken is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds. The speed of the object is 10 meter per second in 1 second, 20 meter per second in 2 seconds, 30 meter per second in 3 seconds, 40 meter per second in 4 seconds, 50 meter per second in 5th second. The speed of the bus increases by 10 meter second power minus 1 every second. Hence, the graph has a positive and a constant gradient and the acceleration is constant. Bus traveling at uniform deceleration. Bus traveling at uniform deceleration. Time taken is 1, 2, 3, 4 seconds. And the speed of an object at 0 second is 50 meter per second. Speed of an object at 1 second is 40 meter per second. Speed of an object in 2 seconds is 30 meter per second. The speed of an object in 3 minutes is 20 meter per second. Speed of an object at 4th minute is 10 meter per second. The speed of the bus decreases by 10 meter second power minus 1 every second. Hence, the graph has a negative and a constant gradient and the acceleration is negative and constant. Bus traveling with increasing acceleration, non-uniform acceleration. The time taken is 1 to 5 seconds. The speed of an object changes 10, 2, 8, 18, 32 and 50 meter per second. The speed of the bus is increasing with time. Hence, the graph has a positive and increasing gradient and the acceleration increases. Bus traveling with decreasing acceleration, non-uniform acceleration. Time taken is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds. The speed of an object is 10 meter per second, 18 meter per second, 32 meter per second, 42 meter per second, 48 meter per second, and 50 meter per second. The speed is decreasing with time. Hence, the graph has a positive and a decreasing gradient, and the acceleration decreases. Center of gravity. The center of gravity of an object is the point through which the entire weight of the object appears to act. Center of gravity of irregular shaped object. Make 3 holes in a lamina. In the lamina, suspend the lamina from the optical pin through one of the holes as shown in the picture. Suspend the plumb line from the pin and mark the position of the plumb line on the lamina. Draw lines on the lamina representing the position of the plumb line. Repeat the above steps for other holes. Label the intersection of the 3 lines as C. C is the position of the center of gravity of the lamina. Center of gravity of regular shaped object. Generally, the center of gravity of the geometrical shaped object lie on the geometric center of the object. Square, the center of gravity lies at intersection of diagonals. In rectangle, center of gravity lies at the intersection of diagonals. Triangle, the center of gravity lies at the intersection of medians. Cylinder, the center of gravity lies at midpoint of axis. Stability. Stability is a measure of the body's ability to maintain its original position. 3 types of stabilities are stable equilibrium, unstable equilibrium, neutral equilibrium. In stable equilibrium, the frustum can be tilted through quite a big angle without toppling. Its center of gravity rises when it displaced. The vertical lines through its center of gravity still falls within its space, so it can return to its original position. Unstable equilibrium. In unstable equilibrium, the frustum will toppled with a slightest tilting. Its center of gravity is lowered when it is displaced. Here, the vertical line through its center of gravity falls outside its base, so it will not come back to its position. Neutral equilibrium. It causes frustum to topple. The frustum will roll about, but it does not topple. Its center of gravity remains at the same height when it is displaced. Condition for stability. Stability can be increased by the following ways: lowering its center of gravity, increasing the area of its base. A heavy base lowers the center of gravity, so the object will be stable. A broad base makes the object more stable. Real life application of center of gravity. In order to have stability, the luggage compartment of tour bus is located at the bottom and not on the roof. Extra passengers are not allowed on the upper deck of a crowded double-decker bus. Racing cars are built low and broad for stability. Stable lamps and fans are designed with large heavy bases to make them stable. Thank you.